We'll guide you through how to set up Gumroad checkout, making it easy to sell your products online. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to gumroad.com, log into your Gumroad account, or create a new one if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll want to go to the dashboard. On the left-hand side, click on Products. Here, you can either add a new product by clicking New Product, or choose an existing product you want to set up for checkout. Let's say you're creating a new product. Enter the product details like name, price, and description. You can also add a cover image to make it look appealing. After you've filled out the product details, scroll down to the checkout section. Here you can customize the checkout experience for your customers. Make sure to toggle the Require Customer to enter their email option, so you can keep in touch with your buyers. You can also add custom fields if you need specific information from your customers. Once everything looks good, go to the Payment section to link your payment account. You need to connect either a PayPal or Stripe account to receive payments. Follow the instructions to authorize the connection. Now, go back to the product page and click Publish to make your product live. Finally, get your product link by clicking Share, and copy the link to share it with your audience. And that's it. You have successfully set up Gumroad checkout. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.